Hey YouTube. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a quick run through of accessories. Why am I talking to the camera? I'm doing this voiceover. So I said I was gonna stop buying these crop textured bags, but clearly I can't. I love this one. I think the color is really nice. And I really like the diagonal flap that it has going on. The strap is a little bit thin, but whatever. Other than that, I think this bag is super cute. Alright, so this black sling body bag is an essential. I have no idea what it says on it. 𝖭𝑌t, S-O-Y-T. I don't know, but I'm gonna see if I can take that off. But yeah, I love bags like this where you can literally just throw it on your body and not have to worry about your bag. You don't have to worry about it falling off your shoulder, or you know, it's just on you and it's protected. This is perfect for like when you're doing an activity. I wore this bike riding and it was great. I didn't have to worry about a shoulder bag, didn't have to worry about a book bag, you know. And it's giving me streetwear vibes. If you're into that kind of style, I love this jacket. What? Jacket? Girl, go to bed. Go to bed. Yo, they literally have 10 songs on their playlist. On their reggae/dancehall playlist. That's sad. That's sad. Like, it's upsetting me and my homegirls. I'm talking about my neighbors, by the way. Alright, so this leopard print tote bag is definitely thinner than I expected. In the picture it looks a lot thicker and it has a shape to it, but this is more slouchy. It's easy to throw in a bunch of stuff and just go. I just actually started using it for work to carry all my paperwork. I have like a big stack that I have to bring in a couple of days in the week, so this is perfect for that. The last bag I was using was a nice bag and I broke the strap, so this is great. Love it. I just wish the armhole was bigger. So here's another tote bag, and I love this whole shopping list / receipt aesthetic that it has going on. I think this is perfect for like shopping trips, which is why I love the graphic that's on it. New York banned plastic bags, so reusable bags are in, and this is perfect for that. So whenever I see a cute design on a scarf, I always have to get it. I love the color pattern that's going on here with the whole orangey gold and then that taupe color around the edge. I got this to wear in multiple ways. You could wear it as a top. You could also wear it as like a bralette / bandeau type of top. Obviously in the summertime, summer is long gone, but you know, next summer we out here. Summer 2021, we out here by 2020. Yeah, and then obviously for now it'll just be on my head whenever I need a scarf on my head. But yeah, it's cute. So I stopped wearing headbands in like middle school, but for some reason they're back and they're cute. So I picked up this one because of the color mainly. The pearls are really girly, but sometimes I like to switch it up, you know. I got this little card holder because I'm not a fan of holding big wallets. Sometimes I just want to whip out my card and a little cash, that's it. I got some eyebrow pencils to try out and they're actually pretty decent, but this waterproof one, I don't like the color, so I don't know about that. I also wanted to try this body highlighter, but I haven't tried it yet. These nails, some earrings, some more earrings, jump rope, random as hell, but I said I was gonna start jumping rope because I need to get active. Ask me how many times I used it. Once. Socks and some boob tape to hold up the girlies. Alright, so let's get into the clothes because that's why you guys are all here. So this first top is a cropped ribbed zip up top, and I think it's really nice, but the only issue I have are these sleeves. I don't know what it is with Shein and their sleeves and their long sleeves on me just always fit so weird. Like they're always too baggy, like too much space by the armpits, like you can see right here. And then the sleeve is super short, so I don't know what it is. Maybe my arms are just freakishly long, but other than that, I really love this top. I think it's super cute and casual, but you could dress it up. This top stinks. Ugh, it smells like sweat and like just mustiness. Definitely needs to be washed. Okay, so this top is definitely it for me. It just gives me like a 90s vibe. It reminds me of the MTV show Next for whatever reason. I don't know why, but yeah, it reminds me of like 90s, 2000s, and I'm loving this shirt. Clearly, as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing here. So I just needed a couple of basic tees, so I got this extra baggy long one that reminds me of like a boyfriend tee, and then I got this one that's a little bit more feminine, I guess, and you could dress this one up. I really like the material on these. They fit really nice and they're soft and stretchy. This one is a completely different tee, different material. It's not as soft and it kind of feels a little bit worn out, but I do like the shape at the hem. Alright, so this top is definitely a dressier top. I love my mesh and my lace, especially in black. I feel like the sleeves could have definitely been longer, but it's still a cute top, and I like that the sleeves at least have the elastic part to it so that it doesn't just sit there. You can kind of like move it up if you want to. Definitely would need a different bra underneath, but this top is really classy but still a little bit sassy. So as y'all can see, this is definitely not a fall haul. At the time I ordered this stuff, it was the end of summer, so I was still in my summer phase. I wasn't trying to let it go. But yeah, here's another cute little top, and it kind of gives me like cute top that you wear with mom jeans or boyfriend jeans, you know, to like kind of dress up a pair of jeans. And I'm loving the sleeves. I'm not really big on polka dots, but I feel like it's really cute on this top. It's definitely not an Evelyn haul if I'm not dancing while I'm trying on the clothes, because y'all know I don't dance anywhere else. I've been wanting a corset top like this for the longest. I always see them on Pretty Little Thing, but I said let me get it from Shein because it's cheap. I sized down and I'm glad I did because it would have been way too loose on the chest area. So I'm glad I got a size small and not a medium. So you know I always gotta throw a graphic tee in there somewhere. This I got in a size small and it still fits oversized, so I like that. And I love the neon green accents on it. So this contrast stitch top is just a basic crop top, but it has a little different touch to it with the stitching on it. And this fits pretty true to size because I did get a medium. This is probably the first top that I'm not feeling out of everything so far, and it's because the fit, it seems a little bit too loose. I don't remember if this was an off the shoulder. It wasn't. It's like a wide scoop neck, but it's so like big. Yeah, so I had to return this one. I love the whole pattern on it. Definitely gave me like vintage, but the fit was just not it for me. It was way too loose around the neckline, so no. So I'm in love with the pattern on this top. I feel like I could have sized up because it is kind of like skin tight, but this is it for me. I can't wait to wear it with some brown leather pants. I'm on the look. I'm on the hunt. Coming soon. Look at my excitement right here. It's the thumb holes for me. I love the thumb holes on this top. I just feel like it adds that extra touch that it needs. So here's another top that I love, and I feel like this could be styled in so many different ways. The golden brown color that shows up in the picture is definitely not showing up on this top, but I actually prefer it this way. I definitely recommend. This is mad cute. So this one is giving silky, it's giving satin, it's giving boobs, it's giving tie me up tight because the boobs want to be out. If I could go braless, I would, but I'm not really set up that way, so I'm gonna have to deal with it like this. I love the color of this, but the fit is just kind of off. It's too baggy by the arms. I constantly have to fix the neckline, and it's too much boobs for me. Like, I'm just not like that, but I gotta keep it because it's the bodysuit. Lounge, cozy, comfy, soft, chilling, airport vibes, road trip vibes, casual, bumming. I love it. This is my type of fit. I just love wearing sweats. I love wearing sweatshirts, and if it's a matching set, give it to me. Like I said, this haul is like 2 months late, and the only reason y'all are getting it right now is because somebody actually found my review of these and hit me up on Instagram like, sis, where's the video at, where's the haul? So shout out to you for motivating me to actually get on here and edit this. Thanks a lot. I need to get back on my YouTube game. I am starving. I gotta be done with this soon because I am starving. And shein ain't paying me. Shein ain't putting money in my pockets. So I gotta go eat. So these satin pants are a nice bronzy brown color, and I really like them a lot. You can definitely dress these up. I love that there's a belt on it to kind of cinch in the waist a little bit more, and then this ruffle trim detailing is a really cute feminine touch. These pants are super classy. The only thing that I wish was different was if the bottoms were longer or skinnier, you know, so that it kind of like fits to your leg, to your ankle, instead of it being kind of just wide and short. Okay. So shein has definitely stepped it up with their jeans. I don't know who they got on the team, but their jeans have been hitting as of lately. I remember years ago when I first started shopping at Shein, when it was still Shein side, and their clothes were like literally trash. Their jeans were like baby sizes, Chinese, Asian sizes. And now, look at these. Look at these. Like, baggy jeans, here I come. Baggy jeans, here I come. So as you can see, they fit perfectly. There's just the right amount of space in the waist, so it's not like super tight, but it's not too loose either. I'm in love. I wish all the jeans would fit like this. This is definitely true to size. I got it in a medium, and I'm in love, as you can see. I have to come back, do a double take. These jeans are it. Oh, ooh, fit nice on the waist. Nice on the booty. These mom jeans, yet again, great quality. Love the style, love the wash, love the cuts, but I hate the fit. It's way too loose in the crotch area. I did size up because I didn't want it to be too tight, but it wasn't a great idea because now it's just like super baggy in the crotch area. I can't wear it high, I can't wear it low. So I had to return these and get a smaller size, and you guys will see what the smaller size looks like on me in the next haul. Okay, so here's another pair of jeans that didn't really work out for me and I had to return. They're cute, as you can see, like they look nice, but they weren't what I was going for. I kind of wanted like the baggy cargo look. They're cargo pants, you know, so I didn't want them to be tight, but I guess because I got them in a size small, they're not baggy. And I just didn't feel like sizing up either. I could have repurchased in a medium, but I just said I don't really need these. They're cute, but I'll pass. But the quality is good, so if you do like them, you should definitely get them. flare jean mommy. I don't know what this little white piece of paper thing is on the floor and why I refuse to pick it up, but anyways, look at these jeans, y'all. Look at these jeans, like fitted. It's giving body yaddy 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 yaddy. I don't know where I got this little body from. Like, it be hiding. Clearly it be hiding, but these jeans definitely bring it out. These are very classy jeans that you could dress up. I could see this being like a brunch fit with a nice cute top and some heels, you know, just something very classy but still casual at the same time. And they're super stretchy. Like, you see me pulling them up constantly because I just want the high-waisted look and I wanted to accentuate my waist. But as you can see, they're very, very stretchy. Yes. So these are very similar to the first pair of jeans that I showed you in the light wash. They're not the same though. If you look on Shein, they're two separate products, but they fit the same. They kind of look the same and I'm loving them. I've been needing some black baggy jeans for a long time, and these are definitely doing it. They're doing it for me. They fit nice on the waist, not too tight, not too loose, and they're perfect length, not too short. I love these jeans. This top is different. I really love this fringe detailing that it has going on. It's super long, kind of looks like a dress, but obviously you wouldn't wear this as a dress. The way the model wore it with the white skirt, I really love that. I want to see if I could put that together when it's time to go outside again, whenever that is. But yeah, I love this top. It kind of reminds me of the pants I got in one of my last hauls with the fringe bottom, but I definitely wouldn't wear them together. Just don't think that would be a look. I think it would just be too much, but it's giving the same type of fringe. Okay, Babiana. Stiff way. Stiff